Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode where we help you make smarter buying decisions, one hilarious comparison at a time. Today, we're putting two drones head-to-head in an epic showdown, the Holy Stone HS110D, or as we like to call it, the Holy Smokes on the left, and the VISNEE Newest Drone, aka the VISNEE Victory, on the right. Buckle up, folks, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's dive into our first category. Camera quality. Holy Smokes boasts a 1080p FOV, 120 degrees HD FPV camera. That's a lot of letters and numbers to say it takes pretty darn good pictures. Meanwhile, the VISNEE Victory struts in with a 1080p HD camera that's adjustable up to 90 degrees. Reviewers have mentioned that while Holy Smokes offers a wide-angle lens perfect for capturing expansive scenery, VISNEE Victory is great for those close-up shots, though some users noted it lacks an electronic stabilizer, making stable footage a bit tricky. So who's the real winner here? You decide. Next up, altitude hold. Holy Smokes promises to suspend in mid-air like it's practicing levitation. Perfect for those who want to focus on their photography skills without the drone running away. VISNEE Victory is no slouch either, offering stable altitude hold for those high-quality pics. Reviewers say both drones perform well in this aspect, making them great for beginners. However, some users did mention that Holy Smokes is more stable in windy conditions. But let's be real, folks, if you're a newbie, you'll probably crash both into a tree anyway. But at least you'll have options. Now, let's talk about headless mode. Holy Smokes says it makes controlling the drone easier when you can't see it. Kind of like trying to find your phone when it's on silent. VISNEE Victory also has headless mode, but it throws in automatic obstacle avoidance. So if you're prone to flying into your neighbor's yard, VISNEE might just save you from an awkward conversation. Reviewers find this feature particularly useful for kids or beginners. Mobile control. Holy Smokes lets you control the drone through an app, using voice commands, gestures, and even gravity sensor control. It's like having a mini Iron Man suit. VISNEE Victory has one key takeoff, flash landing, and 3 speed modes. It's like the drone version of a Swiss Army knife. Reviewers say the mobile app for Holy Smokes is intuitive and fun to use, while VISNEE's one key feature adds convenience for those who prefer simplicity. But let's be honest, who needs voice control when you can just push a button? Battery life. Holy Smokes comes with 2 modular batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes of flight time. VISNEE Victory ups the ante with 2 batteries that give you 30 minutes of airtime. That's like comparing a power nap to a full REM cycle. Reviewers of both drones have noted that while Holy Smokes' battery life is decent, VISNEE Victory's longer flight time is a significant advantage. So if you're planning on making a drone documentary, VISNEE's got your back. Lastly, let's talk price. Holy Smokes will set you back $99. VISNEE Victory? Only $59. That's a $40 difference, folks. You could buy a lot of snacks with that kind of money, or, another drone when you inevitably crash the first one. Reviewers generally feel that both drones offer good value for their price points, but VISNEE is often highlighted as a great budget-friendly option. Reviewers generally agree that the Holy Stone HS110D is a solid choice for beginners looking to practice their flying skills, with good stability, decent camera quality, and excellent customer service. However, battery life and wind resistance are noted limitations. On the other hand, the VISNEE Newest Drone is praised for its budget-friendly price, ease of control, and automatic obstacle avoidance, though some users have reported issues with durability and connectivity. So there you have it, folks. Both drones have their strengths and quirks. Holy Smokes is perfect for those who want all the bells and whistles and are willing to pay a bit more. VISNEE Victory is great for those who want a budget-friendly option with decent features. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.